Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to explore Kentucky, USA, the Bluegrass State. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. Located in the eastern United States, Kentucky is a state known for its rich history, stunning natural beauty, and vibrant culture. From the rolling hills of the Bluegrass region to the rugged mountains of Appalachia, Kentucky's diverse landscape has played a significant role in shaping the state's identity. In this comprehensive video, we will delve into the history, population, culture, and economy and other aspects that make Kentucky a unique and fascinating place. History. Kentucky's history dates back thousands of years with Native American tribes such as the Cherokee and Shawnee inhabiting the region. In the 18th century, European American settlers began to arrive and the state was officially founded in 1792. Kentucky played a crucial role in the American Civil War, with the state serving as a border state between the Union and Confederacy. The war had a profound impact on the state's economy and population, with many Kentuckians fighting on both sides of the conflict. Today, Kentucky's history is still celebrated through its many historic sites, museums, and cultural events. Population. As of 2020, Kentucky's estimated population is approximately 4.6 million people. The state's population is diverse with a mix of urban and rural communities. The largest city, Louisville, is home to over 773,000 people, while the state capital, Frankfort, has a population of around 29,000. Kentucky's population has been steadily growing over the years with a mix of native-born residents and newcomers attracted to the state's natural beauty, economic opportunities, and rich cultural heritage. Culture. Kentucky's culture is a unique blend of Southern charm, Appalachian traditions, and Midwestern values. The state is famous for its horse racing, bourbon distilleries, and bluegrass music. The Kentucky Derby, held annually in Louisville, is one of the most iconic sporting events in the world. The state is also home to a thriving art scene with numerous galleries, museums, and festivals celebrating music, theater, and visual arts. Kentucky's cuisine is known for its hearty comfort food including hot browns, derby pea, and fried chicken. Per capita income. Kentucky's per capita income is around $28,000, which is lower than the national average. However, the state's cost of living is also relatively low, making it an attractive option for people looking to relocate. The state's economy is diverse with major industries including healthcare, education, manufacturing, and tourism. Kentucky is also home to several major corporations including Yum Brands, Papa John's, and GE Appliances. Industries. Kentucky's economy is driven by a mix of traditional and modern industries. The state is a leading producer of coal, tobacco, and bourbon, with many historic distilleries and mills still in operation. Manufacturing is also a significant sector with companies producing everything from automobiles to aerospace components. Tourism is another major industry with visitors drawn to the state's natural beauty, historic sites, and cultural events. Healthcare and education are also major employers with several top ranked universities and medical centers located throughout the state. Tourist spots. Kentucky is home to wide range of tourist attractions from natural wonders to historic sites and cultural events. Some of the most popular destinations include the Kentucky's Derby and Churchill Downs, the Mammoth Cave National Park, the Red River Gorge, the Bourbon Trail, the Muhammad Ali Center, the Kentucky Horse Park, the Ark Encounter. Agriculture. Agriculture plays a significant role in Kentucky's economy, with the state producing a wide range of crops and livestock. Tobacco corn, soybeans, and wheat are among the top crops, while cattle, horses, and poultry are major livestock industries. The state is also home to a thriving queen industry with many horse farms and breeding operations located throughout the Bluegrass region. Education. Education is highly valued in Kentucky with several top ranked universities and colleges located throughout the state. The University of Kentucky and the University of Louisville are two of the state's largest and most prestigious institutions, while smaller liberal arts colleges like Centre College and Transylvania University offer a more intimate and focused educational experience. The state is also home to a number of community and technical colleges, providing training and certification programs for students looking to enter the workforce. Employment opportunities. Kentucky offers a range of employment opportunities across various industries. The state's major cities, including Louisville and Lexington, have a diverse economy with jobs available in healthcare, technology, manufacturing, and more. The state is also home to several major corporations, including Yum Brands and GE Appliances, which offer a range of career opportunities. Additionally, the state's tourism industry provides many jobs in hospitality, food service, and recreation. Kentucky's location makes it an important hub for trade and commerce. The state is strategically located within a day's drive of 75% of the US population, making it an ideal location for businesses looking to distribute goods and services. The state is also home to several major transportation hubs, including the Louisville, which provide access to global markets. Kentucky's trade relationships are diverse, with top export markets including Canada, Mexico, China, and Japan. Mines. Kentucky has a long history of mining, particularly coal mining. The state is home to several major coal fields, including the Appalachian coalfield and the Western Kentucky coalfield. While the coal industry has declined in recent years, Kentucky remains one of the top coal producing states in the country. The state is also home to smaller mining operations including limestone, sand, and gravel. Important cities. Kentucky, several important cities, each with its own unique character and attractions. Some of the most notable cities include Louisville, the state's largest city, known for the vibrant arts and culture scene, historic neighborhoods, and iconic landmarks like the Churchill Downs. Lexington, a charming college town and home to the University of Kentucky, known for its horse farms, historic downtown, and vibrant cultural scene. Bowling Green, a growing city in southern Kentucky, known for its historic downtown, scenic parks, and attractions like the National Carvity Museum. Owensboro, a charming city on the Ohio River, known for its historic downtown, scenic riverfront, and attractions like the Owensboro Museum of Science and History. Costume. Kentucky's costume and fashion scene is influenced by its southern and Appalachian heritage. Traditional costumes include the Kentucky Derby's iconic hats and dresses, as well as more rustic Appalachian attire like overall and bonnets. Modern fashion in Kentucky is diverse with a mix of urban and rural styles. Language spoken. The primary language spoken in Kentucky is English with a distinct southern accent and dialect. Many Kentuckians also speak Appalachian English, a regional dialect with its own unique vocabulary and pronunciation. Government. Kentucky's government is divided into three branches: the executive, legislative, and judicial. The state has a Republican dominated legislature and a Democratic governor. The state capital is Frankfort, where the Kentucky State Capitol building is located. Policies. Kentucky's policies reflect its conservative and liberation leanings. The state has a strong tradition of individual rights and limited government intervention. However, the state also has a strong social safety net and a commitment to public education and health care. Other points. Kentucky is known for its natural beauty with numerous parks, forests, and waterways. The state has thriving arts scene with numerous galleries, museums, and festivals. Kentucky is home to several major sporting events, including the Kentucky Derby and the NCAA men's basketball tournament. The state has a strong tradition of music, including bluegrass, country, and blues. Kentucky is home to several major corporations, including Yum Brands, Papa John's, and GE Appliances. In conclusion, Kentucky is a state with a rich history, diverse culture, and stunning natural beauty. From its iconic horse racing and bourbon distilleries to the vibrant arts and music scene, has something to offer for everyone. Whether you are interested in exploring the state's many attractions, experiencing its unique culture, or simply enjoying its natural beauty, Kentucky is a place that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Thank you for seeing this video. Please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.